Today on Courtney Sweets, we're making air fryer bacon. It's crispy and delicious and a great way to make bacon. Now we're going to be doing a comparison between a basket style and an oven style. I have the Ninja basket style and the Cuisinart air fryer oven. In my Ninja, I have 5 slices sliced in half and 6 slices in my Cuisinart. We cooked them both at 375 degrees at 10 minutes and flipped it once in between. In the Ninja, it blew around, and in the Cuisinart, it stayed nice and sound. If you want more videos like this, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a new one. They both were cooked for 10 minutes at 375. This is the Ninja, this is the Cuisinart. I would have gone probably another minute on the Cuisinart because I like my bacon extra crispy, but they both do a pretty good job, but you do have to cut it down if you want to fit more, I guess. But we get more in the Cuisinart. I can actually jam in a whole package in the Cuisinart, not in the Ninja. So which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.